Be walking me through the Weasley's Wizard, Wheezes, Diagon Alley, like I said. Alright, so as you can see, the exterior is a nice purple and orange, and Weasley man outside, he has his hat, and the bunny's under it, and if you've seen the movies or gone to the Universal Studios, then you probably have seen that when the hat goes over the bunny, it disappears. But anyway, let's get started. So, first, there's the main build, which is the Wheezes part. But then next we got this, what'd you call it? The owl post, I guess. And it comes with an owl post worker, and Lavender Brown I have her sending a letter, and an owl. So you can see there's like purchase for these owls and like an owl statue, and then even a cool sign what this says owl post. And then more on the inside, interior, you can see that there's some mail dropped from the owls into this window and the room inside. So this was pretty quick and fun to make. I liked the structure and the color scheme of it. And now onto the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. So as you can see, they have the weird Umbridge dummy thing on the unicycle or whatever, trying to balance. And then we have the, like, I guess like squishy, not squishy, more like sticky shoes, proving instant darkness powder, puking pastilles, a fanged frisbee right there. More joke products. And then we have the cashier counter right here. And an expendable ear back there. Right there. And then, as you can see, we have even more joke products galore. And then in the back, we have some love potions. And then here we have Fred and George Weasley. I'm just going to show you Fred, I think. They're pretty much both the same. But anyway, they're just greeting Ron and Ginny as they walk into the shop. And also on the outside, you can see these like baubles, like these lamps, maybe cool things. And as you can see, there's these signs like Magical Menagerie, Madame Malkin, Sugar Plums. Yeah, so that's that. Anyway, so I thought it was pretty cool and I saw Diagon Alley one and the logo set, and I feel like this one's better because the face on this one's a sticker, but on the Diagon Alley one, it's a weird looking. It just doesn't look as good. Anyway, I like to buy separate things instead of buying all of them in just one, because one, it's less expensive, and two, it makes for more. I feel like it's less cramped and a cooler build. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.